Satnam and welcome, yogis. Thank you for practicing with me today. Today we are expanding and strengthening our aura. This is the electromagnetic field that surrounds our body, and when our aura is bright, we feel confident, protected, charismatic, and aligned. When it's weak, we may feel drained, scattered, or overly affected by others' energies. So let's tune in with our mantras and start. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Breathe in. Invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini practice. And breathe out. Hands on your knees, down to Jyan Mudra. First, we're going to start with the Sufi Grind. Our eyes are closed and our eyes are rolled up to the third eye. We breathe in and we come to the front, and when we breathe out, we move to the back. Our navel is slightly inwards, that way we protect our lower back. And deep breaths here. And go as far into the movement as possible. This is very good to awaken the body and warm up the energetic system. We are awakening the lower chakras, and the energy can move freely towards the higher chakras here. And to the other side. And to the other side. And now breathe in. Squeeze your mubang. And breathe out. Very good. Now just witness your energy, how your body feels. Good. Now we're gonna move on, and we're gonna work with the hands they come together on top of the head. Hands are facing each other, palms are touching, and when hands come down, then palms are facing down, and we're gently touching the ground. When hands come up, we breathe in. When hands go down, we breathe out, and through the nose. Eyes are rolled up to the third eye here. And you can imagine you're swiping away, swiping clear anything that doesn't serve you anymore, and swiping away any blockages and resistance from your auric field. We're also expanding our energy and all the light that is within us. We're expanding and then taking it out to our auric field now. Breathe in and out. And now with our last exercise, now we're doing the same movement, but we're moving with the hands back and forth to the front and back. When hand comes to the front, we breathe in. When hand goes to the back, we breathe out, and hands are gently touching. And again, imagine that you're just clearing out anything that doesn't serve you anymore, that doesn't need to be in your physical or energetic body. We are cleansing, brightening, and expanding the field so you can walk through your day with clarity, this grace, and radiant presence. Very good. Breathe in and out, hands down to Jian Mudra. And now, if you wish, you can lie down for Shavasana. Or you can just sit and rest your knees, rest your hands on the knees in Jian Mudra. Feel this spaciousness around you. Feel the protection, the glow, the light. Your aura is strong, bright, and expansive. And see your aura with each breath. See your aura glowing brighter. This golden white light surrounding your body. And softly repeat in your head, my aura is clear and radiant. I am protected and empowered. My energy shines boldly and beautifully. I walk in light. I am light. And envision this bright light shining even brighter now within your body and around your body. And envision that light expanding around your body, expanding it further out to the room, now expanding further outside of the room, expanding it into your neighborhood, high up to the trees. Now go up above that to the skies, and imagine your light covering the whole body of this planet, this Mother Earth. And imagine your light reaching each soul who needs that light. Feel that strength of your energy field. Very good. And now you can bring your light back into your body. Only this time it doesn't dim. This light stays as bright as you can imagine. And from now on, you are that light. Very good. Now, if you can, come back up to sitting in the easy pose. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your beautiful energy today. And may your aura shine brightly everywhere you go. Sat Nam. Bye.